So I am Chef Sue. I'm the chef owner and creator of Fun with Food. I created this program in 2015 to educate, motivate, and inspire kids to eat real food.
Who has their dressing ingredients all mise en place, meaning you've got all of your ingredients ready to go? Okay, great. Zoe, what did you eat your salsa on yesterday?
A spoon.
You ate yours on a spoon too? Goodness. You know what that means? If you can eat your salsa on a spoon, you know what that means, right?
What?
It means you made amazing salsa. This is going to be a science experiment. So I've got rice wine vinegar at the bottom and toasted sesame oil on the top. So Aiden, I know you like science and cooking. Why are these separate layers right now?
So it's either they have a different density or different buoyancy, but I'm not sure.
Oh, that is such a good answer. Yes. How about you? Luke and Nathan, do you want to show us your ingredients?
So we have red bell peppers, green onions, carrots, and green beans.
Time. It is time for a tasting challenge. Try something sweet and something salty together.
I'm gonna eat a pickled garlic clove and a strawberry.
Whoa. Zoe, what did you try?
I tried a cucumber and a graham cracker.
Chef, see,
Yeah.
look, they're different because the peaches on the top and the tomatoes on the top, and the peaches on the bottom here and the tomatoes on the bottom here. They're switched, even though you can't see the difference.
Beautiful. They are different. Yep. Do it.
I'm making a big one too. I'm using this one.
Is that the garlic?
It's the garlic.
Aiden, that's a lot of garlic for one bite.
Mhm.
Wow. Oh, on a pickle?
Mhm.
Oh, that'll be good.
And then my third color is this.
Oh, so cracker, garlic, pickled garlic, and
Pickle.
ooh, that sounds really good. Like that should be a sandwich.
I'm out of pickles.
Oh, you're out of pickles. So what do you have in front of you that you could put in that pickle jar? Do you have cucumbers in front of you? Yeah, pop a couple of those in the jar.
So we made this masterpiece about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Then,
Ooh, good math skills. Great.
and my favorite one of all, the biggest one I ever had made, is this one.
Ooh, look
I
at
made
that.
this one. I wanted it to be a little town, so I made it like a little town. This is the person's home. This is the garden. This are the little raindrops.
Great job. I love the stories that are coming out behind these little sculptures.
I haven't made my third one yet, so let me get to that. Then I made one with an apple, then a cucumber, and then a strawberry.
Good work today, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome.